Welcome to our cooking channel. What if I told you there's a simple way to treat your kids, family, and friends for breakfast, lunch, or even dinner in under 30 minutes? Today, we're going to show you how to make Croque Monsieur my way, a French classic with a twist that will tantalize your taste buds. Stay with us until the end to discover our secret touch. I'm your culinary guide for the day. Our mission? To make the perfect Croque Monsieur with a personal touch. But be careful, we need to overcome several challenges to get a golden, melt-in-your-mouth, irresistible sandwich. Before we start, remember to subscribe to our channel so you never miss a delicious new recipe. For our Croque Monsieur for 4 people, here are the ingredients we will need. 8 slices of sandwich bread or bread of your choice, quality ham, sliced or grated cheese, Gruyere or Emmental or other, butter, and for our special touch, a little mustard, 4 eggs, 2-3 tablespoons of sour cream or heavy cream, salt, pepper, a pinch of nutmeg. First step, to avoid making a bechamel, simply mix the eggs, cream, salt, pepper, and nutmeg together, then set aside. If you're enjoying this video so far, give us a thumbs up and tell us in the comments what your favorite sandwich is. Next, let's assemble our Croque Monsieur. Spread each slice of bread with a little mustard. Add a slice of ham, a generous slice or handful of grated cheese. Close with another slice of buttered bread. Dip one side, then the other in the egg mixture and put grated cheese on top. Bake at 350 degrees, 180 degrees, for 10 to 15 minutes. And here's our Croque Monsieur my way. Crispy on the outside, soft on the inside with a touch of mustard. We have overcome all the challenges to achieve this gourmet delight. Thank you for following this recipe with us. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell for more tasty recipes. And for another culinary adventure, feel free to request recipes in the comments. See you soon for new gourmet discoveries.